game's cutted. Sorry. You have 3 lives. If you die, don't give up. It's part of the process. True. Let's wait. And while you guys are waiting, I think I already made this announcement, but hit that subscribe button. Maybe like, so I don't care. Just try to support. Hey, you guys can also comment to tell me like what other game you want me to try. I started Moonlight Sushi 15 years ago. We're all here to interview for a coveted chef position, but we only hired the very best chefs. To get the job, you'll need to successfully cook a 4-course meal. What is this called? Scary Sushi. It's not that scary. Some special guests waiting to try your food in the dining room. For our first course, we're going to focus on the basics. Rice and nori. Never tried it? I don't know if I'll ever will. Our janitor has been feeling unwell. What do you mean? So if you see him wonder... Oh, I forgot. Kind of forgot about it. Janitor. Oh, janitor. Okay, let's do it. Okay, first course. Rice and nori. I really don't care. Just let me get to the ingredients. I know where to go. Hurry up. No. I know where to go. Okay. Let's go. I just want to complete the game. That's all I want to do. Give me that rice. We head now. I keep forgetting that we only need the rice. Like it said rice and nori. There's the janitor. Oh. He just became an iron golem. Ooh! Okay, cook that rice up. I'll stand on the fire if I have to. With that rice. Got that rice. Now, plate, yeah. Yo up. Head to the dining room conveyor. Head into the dining room. What is it like? They're very red. Okay, I'm gonna get that nori. Let's get the nori, and also, why is it in water? Like green water. Waste. Oh my god. Janitor, go away. Jeez. Where you heading, janitor? Oh my god. He saw a little bacon dude. He survived. Okay, cook that nori up. Let's do it. Let's do the dance. Let's do the dance to make it hurry. It worked. Play that up. Yeah, we got that nori up. Let's dance for our order. Yeah, we completed that. What? Not what? Sushi? I can do that. Okay, why are you so tall? Oh! Janitor! Run. Why are these people so tall? I'm a shorty. I'm a short boy. Okay. What I've learned is that you can only grab 2 items. Which is perfect. We only need 2 items. Okay. There's a furry. And there's... Okay, cook that rice. Then cook the nori. And let's do the dance. And it worked. The dance worked. Put you on the plate. And now do the same thing with the rice. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Deliver that order. Okay. Does this thing do anything? Can I go through the conveyor? Okay. Make same thing. Okay, let's make 2 plates of sushi. I can make those. You already learned. How cooking with Mr. Chef. We're cooking. We can. So what we're gonna make is couldn't make my sushi. Right. Oh yay! Third place. Let's go. See. Incoming transmission. Hello, where are the night keepers? Oh yeah, I already know this part. Okay. I know. This is a new order. Forget the name of this type of sushi, but it is sushi. Cooking with Mr. Chef. Again, with the janitor, yeah. I don't know if he's really a janitor anymore. This seems like give me that rice. Hello, janitor. Yeah, I'm gonna head this way. Pretty sure the fish is this way. I need the tuna. Or is it salmon? That's salmon. Okay, turn red. Go away. Oh my god, he timed that so well. I need that salmon. Where's the tuna? I think it's salmon. Give me that salmon. Oh, I was about to jump, not even thinking about it. Frick. Gotta start over. Please, no, clear my inventory. 2 lives. Oscar got me. Yay. My favorite. Oscar's food. Okay. We need to restart. I am wait a minute. I have an idea. Yeah. I don't need you, Nori. You're disgusting. Okay, I'm sorry to all people who like Nori. No offense. I just don't like a Nori. Go away, janitor. Yeah, you better run. Going the wrong way. Okay, let's head through this way. Why do you need Nori? Oh, maybe the next order needs Nori. Go away, janitor. Go, yeah. Okay, give me that. I need that salmon. Okay. Frick, 1 minute. Go, hurry up! Hurry up! Go. Don't fall again, Chef. Don't fall again, Mr. Chef. Don't fall again. Oh! Go! Wait a minute. Go. Oh, yes. I can do it. I'll make it. I can do it. Unless I have the wrong fish. Cut you up. Put you in there. And now we do the... Hurry up! The dance is not working. Oh, the dance worked. Thank you. Give me that. Please. Why did it take so long to chop the head off? Okay, not to try and disturb y'all, but why did it take so long? I am so bad at this. It's gonna end anyway. Not even gonna try to make the next order. Same thing, but with... What the heck is that? Yeah, there is no time for this. Oh wait, we do have time. We only got 2 minutes? Nah, bro, really? Okay. We need to focus. I'm not gonna talk for a while. Because I'm trying to focus, guys. Oh, how did you Oh my. No, frick. I have to. Oh, one life. We gotta work with this. Oscar. I don't care. Go away. Let me do my work. I need to focus right now. It's only the. Norman. Please, just let me play. Just let me complete this Scary Sushi. Chapter 2. I don't want to play Chapter 2. I want to play Chapter 1. Don't leave without me. Oh my god, just in time. Only 4 seconds left. Scary Sushi. Let's hurry up. I don't want to go through the cutscenes again. Guys. This takes so long. Sometimes. Gotta sometimes even go grab a snack. Hurry up. Hello, chefs. Welcome to your group interview. I'm Hirashi Kimura. Oh. Hurry up! I don't care about your chatter. Just let me finish this game. Can I jump? I can't jump. Please let me finish it. I'll do anything. Who's in there? For our first course, we're going to focus on the basics. Rice and nori. I know. I really want to finish. January's been feeling unwell. I'll do anything. Hello, janitor. Okay, I'm ready. Rice. First order is just rice. Okay, guys, we're gonna make part 2 of this game. So, see you.